gift from my dad. Thanks, Dad. Let's see what's inside. It's a frog toy. Come on, you buddy. Get out here. Oh! The picture at my dad's house, Mom. Big bad wolf. Slimy tree frog. Ew, gross. Back legs. Don't worry, frog can never hurt you. I'm gonna put back on your legs. Oh, that's sticky.
Come on, get it. This is just like Jello.
Gross.
Put it in there.
Oh, yeah. So disgusting, so gross. My hands. So this is totally not good. Totally not good. This looks like a dinosaur print.
What else you got? Pull out the different parts.
Oh, so gross. So terrible. Look at this stuff. So gross. So gross. Ah, ah. Ooh, this slime. Oh, wait. I think we have enough slime.
All right, let's talk about those different parts you got there.
So, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Lungs. Lord organs.
All right. Here it is.
The brain.
Let's see. Yeah.
Minds. What says these are? Small and big. Oh, this organ is so cute.
It is.
Because it has a tiny beak heart.
It's a
is here. And then it's ready to go and eat. But how does it eat?
Oh, it can eat, but we don't eat it.
This is how you open its mouth. Like that. And that's how you close its mouth. Like and subscribe. That was my